was making your partner look good, and the other was that if you go and volunteer, instead of thinking that somebody else should go, something that Ankur had said, what's the worst that will happen? You'll fail. So I think we put the fear of failing, at the back of our mind, and we just put ourselves forth. And even if we fail miserably, it's fine. There's always a second, third, fourth time.
I was waiting for this to happen offline, in person. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. काफ़ी सारे टेक्निक्स, काफ़ी सारा रोल प्ले, काफ़ी सारा हैंड और टैग, काफ़ी सारे गेम्स खेले. एंड आई रियलाइज वन थिंग, that I should not be prepared for a role. I should be able to play around. I should be able to I should be comfortable enough to make things on the floor. तो वो बहुत ही amazing था.
It's very beautiful. It really makes you come out of your inhibitions. It makes you realize that failing is okay. In fact, failing is what you should do first in order to do better earlier and later. I think that's the best thing about the program.
So you can change also.
It kind of tingles that part of your brain that there's nobody to judge you out here, and there's nobody to kind of rate you out here. So the spontaneity is there a lot, the way you speak and the situations you're put in, and you have to immediately be really quick in your reactions.
It was great. This was the second time I did an improv workshop. I did one pre-COVID. And I enjoyed it so much that I had to come back again. I think last 2-3 years during the lockdown period, I was really missing something like this. So it's been a great experience.
मैंने सुना था कि वो आइसक्रीम बहुत अच्छी बनाते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा अब
पान की आइसक्रीम बनाऊं मैं, और पान की आइसक्रीम और कुल्फी बना के मैं इसे अमेरिका, ब्रिटेन और फाइनली बनारस भी लेकर गया.
About group mind, I think that's a very interesting idea, where the whole group thinks in the same way. The group thinks and acts and speaks in the same way, where you're given the various kind of situations.
It's amazing. It has been amazing. I have done improv with them online for last 2 years, ever since I was associated with them. And coming here in person added far more energy levels, more fun, more learnings in the entire experience.
Session we had in which we were supposed to make our partner look good, and that was very nice. I think it just makes you a better person.